In this video, I'm going to talk about finding the arc length given a circle, its radius, and some angle theta. So to start off, we're going to draw a line from the center of the circle here that has a length of r equal to the circle's radius. Then we're going to draw a second line like this that is some angle theta away from the first line. This second line is still equal to the radius of the circle, so it's going to have a length of r. And the line that connects these two lines along the outside of the circle has a length of s, and this is the arc that we're trying to find. So the formula for finding the arc is s equals theta times r, and in this case, theta must be in radians. If you're given theta in degrees, you can update this formula to convert from degrees to radians. So it's going to be theta times 2 pi over 360 degrees times r, and this simplifies to just theta times pi over 180 times r. In both cases, the final answer is going to be in the units of r, since the angle is actually unitless. So for instance, if r was 5 centimeters, at the very end we're going to have our arc length equal to some value, centimeters. Now what we're going to do is run through a couple practice problems. Clean this up a little bit. Alright, so first one, we're going to say that r is equal to 5, no units, and theta is equal to 4 radians. This one is actually super quick to plug in. We just plug in 4 radians and then 5 for our radius, and s is going to equal 20 just units in this case. Now we can do a slightly more difficult problem, but not too much more difficult. In this case, r is going to equal 3.5 and theta is going to equal 6 degrees. So because we are given degrees, we need to convert that to radians, and to do that we're just going to update our formula here. We're going to have theta times pi over 180 degrees times r, and then we'll plug in what we got. 6 degrees times pi over 180 degrees times 3.5. We'll start off by dividing 6 by 180 to get pi over 30 times 3.5. And then we can keep our answer in pi, which is going to look like 0.117 pi. Or we can multiply out and get the actual value, which is going to be 0.367.